First two episodes ng The Alibay, inihalin tulad sa Tom Clancy novels. Paulo, nagpa-survey. At dahil umere na ang seryeng inaabangan ng lahat, nagkaroon nga ng pa-survey ang kapamilya actor na si Paolo Avellino at isa sa bida ng The Alibay series. Nag-post ang actor sa kanyang Facebook account ng ganito: "What are your thoughts on the first two episodes of The Alibay?" Kung saan pinagkaguluhan nga ito ng mga fanay na have at in love na in love. Kompleto recados. After the second episode, I think Mr. John Arcilla is the mastermind of killing Samuel B. That's what I thought as well. No comment. I sense something mysterious about the Cabrera family. The father might be involved in Walter's death. It's a really good and intriguing story. Looking forward to the next episodes. This is the perfect project for Kim Pao. You made the right choice. Cebu's beauty is highlighted. All actors are excellent. The storyline is unpredictable. Storytelling is fast-paced but clearly reveals the story of each character. You, Mr. Avellino, never fail to amaze viewers with your acting talent, but Kim is such a revelation here. She surpasses all expectations and proves to everybody that not only is she a big star but a great actress of her generation, one to reckon with. She is so good that you can even relate to what her character is going through, experiencing her pains and carrying her burdens too. More projects like this, truly a world-class movie. I also like some symbolism in the movie, like Vincent working on and solving a Rubik's Cube while talking to his dad, like a forewarning that we're in for a difficult puzzle to solve, especially involving these two male leads. This is a world-class movie, not banking on the looks and chemistry of the actors, but on their talents. Kudos. Kim Chiu acting is so intense and I love how she brings depth to her characters. It's like you're experiencing it with her. You get to wonder, how did she do that transformation from her sweet, adorable persona in real life to a pole dancing, burlesque dancer and sex worker in real. We have to credit her directors for that. I also get to think she really has good one PA, not talking about a personal assistant thought. Exactly my thoughts. I find it very intriguing. I like the dancing part of Kim. She didn't in a sexy way, not bastos, but Pao guarded well and see to it that Kim is appreciated. Parang Tom Clancy novels made us think and analyze on first episode. The TV series was so engrossing in its a mind puzzle. Who is the real killer? I have 3 suspects. Ha 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 ha. Let's see kung sila pa rin until the next episode. Congratulations Kim Pao and to the whole cast and production. For me, it's 10-10. Just so intense, very mysterious in a way that may suspect of the crime ay si Rafael Russell. Kudos. I have viewed the initial 2 episodes and the narrative is exquisitely crafted with all the performers showcasing their remarkable acting skill. My first suspect in the Alibay herself, Stella Marie, and after episode, it's the father of the Cabrera family. He used Walter to get rid of Vincent. I would say that this project is much better with the movie. My love will make you disappear. O diba? Halos lahat ng naging komento ay positive sa naging first 2 episode na ipinalabas nga noong November 7 sa Prime Video Philippines. Kaya tumuto kayo dahil for sure mas intense ang mga pasabog sa mga susunod na episodes. Kaso lang, di ba nakakabitin? Hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe for more info.